If you're a fan of Elon Musk or not, it is impossible to ignore a man with a fortune of $430 billion, all because he has his fingers in nearly every futuristic tech imaginable. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Elon Musk, the world's richest man, has turned himself into a personal brand. Born in South Africa in 1971, Musk was coding before most kids could multiply. Fast forward, and Elon Musk now runs a tech empire. He founded SpaceX in 2002, which has transformed space travel with reusable rockets and has plans to colonize Mars, putting Musk in direct competition with NASA. Then there is Tesla, though it's not his original idea, but it became the face of electric vehicles under his watch, expanding into energy storage and teasing self-driving robotaxis. And there's Neuralink too, his brain chip venture, which is all about merging minds with machines, and Starlink, the satellite network promising internet access from the most remote corners of Earth. In 2022, Musk even grabbed headlines by buying Twitter and named it X. Even after all that, Elon Musk was still not satisfied and launched xAI to take on the AI world. He even rolled out the chatbot Grok as a challenger to ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. Critics call him reckless and a jack of all trades. Supporters see a visionary who bends industries to his will, and beyond the tech world, he has even remained as the advisor in Trump's government. The world is just watching while Elon Musk is there, conquering it all. For more updates like these, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Elon Musk has dropped a bombshell in the world of mind-bending tech. His Neuralink brain chip has now let a paralyzed man move a robotic arm using nothing but pure thought. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. Neuralink stunned the world after posting a jaw-dropping video on X showing patient Rocky Stoutenberg, paralyzed since 2006, controlling a robotic arm as smoothly as if it were his own. With just his thoughts, he lifts the arm, guides it toward his face, and even kisses it. Musk wasted no time calling it a massive leap toward true human-machine integration. The company explained that trial participants can now extend their digital mind control beyond screens and into the physical world. Neuralink wrote, participants in our clinical trials have extended digital computer control to physical devices such as assistive robotic arms. And they're nowhere near done, as the company said. Over time, we plan to expand the range of devices controllable via Neuralink, hinting at a future where thoughts alone might operate tools, wheelchairs, or even entire home systems. This is far beyond Neuralink's earlier abilities, which let users move cursors or tap phone screens with their minds. Now, Musk's brain chip dream is helping paralyzed people interact with the world in a whole new way. Neuralink's implant acts as a brain-computer interface, reading tiny signals in a person's nervous system and translating them into real commands. Though the technology is still in clinical trials and docs are closely checking safety and performance in patients with severe mobility challenges. But with this new milestone, the line between human thought and machine action just got thinner. Is this a tech breakthrough? Tell us in the comments. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has sent shivers down the spines of AI watchers again, revising his prediction for the arrival of superhuman AI. In a recent live-streamed interview on X, Musk stated his belief that AI surpassing human intelligence could be here by the end of next year, significantly faster than his previous estimate of 2029. This accelerated timeline comes with a caveat: the ever-present challenge of securing sufficient resources. Last year, the bottleneck was a shortage of NVIDIA chips, crucial for training powerful AI models. This year, the focus has shifted to voltage transformers, another vital piece of the puzzle. Looking even further ahead, the 52-year-old billionaire anticipates the primary constraint within a couple of years to be the sheer amount of electricity needed to power these advanced AI systems. In 2023, Musk expressed concerns about the potential dangers of superintelligence, proposing a 5 to 6 year window before we reach that point. He even advocated for a pause in AI development if feasible, acknowledging the potential for a Terminator scenario. However, with a pause seemingly unrealistic, Musk appears to be putting his faith in xAI, a concept where explainable AI helps guide the development of more advanced and hopefully benevolent forms of superintelligence. Adding fuel to the fire, Musk recently claimed that his company's chatbot Grok AI is already performing on par with OpenAI's GPT-4, another industry-leading large language model. With these advancements happening at a breakneck pace, Musk's revised timeline for superhuman AI raises both excitement and trepidation about what the future holds. Elon Musk's AI company xAI has launched Grok 3, the latest version of its flagship AI model, which he claims to be the smartest AI on Earth in the competitive AI market. The Grok 3 is set to compete with rivals such as OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and China's recently launched DeepSeek. Tech billionaire Musk stated during a live stream presentation on Monday, Grok 3 is an order of magnitude more capable than Grok 2. It's a maximally truth-seeking AI, even if that truth is sometimes at odds with what's politically correct. During the demonstration, Musk highlighted Grok 3's enhanced capabilities compared to its predecessor, Grok 2. According to xAI researchers, Grok 3 outperforms all other AI models in terms of performance. Even in the form of Grok 3 Mini, its toned-down version. Powering several features on X, Grok 3 is capable of analyzing images and responding to questions. The company has started to roll out Grok 3 for Premium Plus subscribers, with X being the first ones to gain access. Additionally, xAI is introducing a new subscription tier called Super Grok, designed for dedicated users seeking advanced features and early updates. This plan will be available on the Grok app and the Grok.com website. SIM cards are now available of Starlink's chip, which will give unlimited supply of lifetime internet and phone connections at very low prices. But wait, here's the lie. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The residents of America and Latin America are seeing ads on their Facebook where the SpaceX CEO Elon Musk is standing holding a SIM card of Starlink chip offering low prices. The image is AI generated and is being used to scam people nationwide. The fraudsters are using this image to gain popularity, which they're already getting. They're claiming to give their customers excellent satellite connectivity in just $14.99 per month, and it'll help the customers stay connected anywhere in the world with total freedom. Although it is true that Starlink can power SMS-based text in cellular dead zones, but SpaceX has not made it available for global audiences. SpaceX partners only select wireless carriers such as T-Mobile to deliver this technology to specific markets. However, some Latin American users have said this fake offer is beautiful and incredible. How does this scam work? Well, if you click on the link, it'll direct you to a page with a questionnaire. It'll have questions regarding your current connection, and then the next page will tell you how getting this chip is a better idea. Later, it'll show you 3 offers of different varieties, naming them lunar, future, and space plans. The scammers really put his thoughts in it. Once you select a plan, it'll trick you to make the payment on the scammer's Shopify checkout page. Meta hasn't perceived it as a scam yet because Starlink chip scammers have fooled Facebook's fraud systems by not mentioning SpaceX or Starlink in the ads text. Instead, the Starlink brand appears on the ad's image. That's very clever. So this is how people are being happily scammed, thinking they've taken a great deal only to lose their money in the end.
Your next flight could be powered by space, and the tech battle is heating up fast. Hey GAD Insiders, welcome to your tech hub. American Airlines is in talks with Amazon's satellite internet project, Amazon Leo. This could mean a showdown with Elon Musk's Starlink for control of in-flight Wi-Fi. CEO Robert Isom revealed the carrier is exploring Amazon Leo as part of a major upgrade to its onboard internet across a fleet of more than 1,000 aircraft. If Amazon lands the deal, it would be a huge boost for Jeff Bezos' space plans and a serious challenge to Starlink's grip on the skies. Both Amazon Leo and Starlink use low Earth orbit satellites, giving faster speeds and lower lag than traditional systems. But Starlink already has thousands of satellites in orbit and is fully operational with airline deals locked in around the world. Amazon Leo has to catch up, but only around 150 satellites are launched so far, and full service is not expected until 2027. American is rolling out free Wi-Fi but doubts whether its current provider, Viasat, can handle a cabin full of passengers streaming shows, scrolling social feeds, and jumping on video calls at the same time. The choice is risky. Starlink offers proven performance right now. Amazon Leo could deliver cheaper, long-term deals and deep tech backing, but only if it delivers on its promises. For passengers, it's all good news. The competition will kill off slow, overpriced, barely used Wi-Fi once and for all. American Airlines is still trying Amazon, Starlink, and Viasat, but could soon decide who rules the internet in the sky for years to come. Which Wi-Fi can win this race? Tell us in the comments.